2017 Kia Cadenza. The Cadenza is a new Kia model featuring European design and styling. This full-size sedan also offers a stylish, roomy, and comfortable interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, keyless ignition, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, CD player, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.